Do you ever reach the end of the month and wonder, where did all my money go? You're not alone. In 2025, with rising prices and more online temptations, sticking to a budget is harder than ever. But here's the truth. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. Freedom to spend without guilt. Freedom to save for your goals. And today, I'll show you exactly how to create a simple, powerful budget that actually works, even if you hate math or have never done it before. Step number 1. Know your net income. First, let's talk income. Not what you think you earn, but what you actually take home after taxes and deductions. This is your net income, and it's the foundation of your budget. Whether you're salaried, freelance, or doing side gigs, list all your income sources and add them up. Example, if you earn $80,000 a month but take home $65,000 after taxes, $65K is your real budget base. Pro tip, if your income varies each month, take an average of your last 3 months and budget from that. Step number 2, track your expenses. Now comes the part most people skip, but it's the most eye-opening. Write down everything you spend money on for a full month. Yes, everything. Rent, groceries, Netflix, weekend snacks, that random thing from Instagram, all of it. Categorize them into 2 types. Fixed expenses, rent, insurance, EMIs. Variable expenses, food, transport, shopping, entertainment. Most people are shocked by how much they spend on little things that add up. This step builds awareness, and awareness is the first step to control. Step number 3, set realistic goals. Okay, now that you know what's coming in and what's going out, it's time to ask, what do I want my money to do for me? Your budget should reflect your goals. Here are 3 common types. Short term, buying a phone, clearing credit card debt. Medium term, emergency fund, travel, wedding. Long term, buying a house, early retirement, investments. Be specific. Don't say save more. Say save $5,000 a month for a Europe trip in 1 year. This gives your money direction and your mind motivation. Step number 4, choose a budgeting method. Here are 3 popular budgeting styles. Pick the one that fits your lifestyle. The 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, rent, food, bills, 30% for wants, dining out, shopping, 20% for savings or debt repayment. Zero-based budgeting. Every dollar is assigned a job. Income minus expenses should equal 0. It's super detailed, best for people who like full control. Pay yourself first. Set aside savings before you spend. For example, save 20% the moment you get paid, then budget the rest. Pro tip, you can combine these methods. Do 50-30-20 but auto-transfer 20% to savings first. Step number 5, automate and adjust. Creating a budget is great, but sticking to it is better. Here's how to make it easier. Automate bill payments, savings, and debt repayments. Use budgeting apps like YNAB, Good Budget, or even a simple Google Sheet. Review your budget every month. Ask, did I overspend somewhere? Can I cut any expenses? Can I increase my savings? Adjust your budget as your income or goals change. Budgeting isn't one and done. It's a monthly habit, like brushing your financial teeth. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't overcomplicate. Keep it simple. Don't forget annual expenses like car insurance or school fees. Divide them monthly. Don't beat yourself up for slipping once or twice. Budgeting is a skill, not perfection. If you fail 1 month, adjust and move forward. The only way to lose is to give up. Final words and CTA. Budgeting in 2025 is not about spreadsheets or sacrifice. It's about taking control of your money so your money doesn't control you. If you follow these 5 steps, You'll feel more confident, less stressed, and closer to your goals every month. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's your #1 financial goal this year? This is Royal Finance, helping you build a smarter, stronger financial future.